Hello, thanks for watching. Let's do this calculus question here. So this curve has a local minimum at x equals 4, an inflection point at 1, 2, and we're going to calculate A, B, and C. So hopefully you're thinking to yourself, we have to find multiple quantities at once. We will use simultaneous equations. Because we have to calculate 3 quantities at once, we need to obtain 3 equations so we can solve for the 3 variables A, B, and C. So the first bit of information from which we will get an equation, there is a local minimum at x equals 4. So that means local minimum, that the derivative when x equals 4 is equal to 0. So in order to turn that into an equation with a's, b's, or c's, what we need to do is differentiate the function. So this is very easy to differentiate. We just differentiate term by term. We move the power to the front, decrease the power by 1. Move the power to the front, decrease the power by 1. Move the power to the front, decrease the power by 1. So here we're told that that equals 0 when x equals 4. So I'm going to replace everywhere I see x with 4. So I'm just going to rearrange this equation to make it easier. 2a times 4 is 8a plus b. Now 3 times 4 squared is 48. I'll subtract that and take it over to the other side. So I get 8a plus b is negative 48. So the next bit of information tells us that there is an inflection point at 1, 2. So any inflection points occur when the second derivative is equal to 0. So this second bit of information is really telling us that when you substitute x equals 1 into the second derivative, you also get 0. So to turn that into an equation, let's find the second derivative. So we had 3x squared plus 2ax plus b. Differentiating that gives us 6x plus 2a is equal to 0. Now, because x equals 1, we're going to substitute x for 1. I get 6 plus 2a equals 0. And that tells us straight away that a is equal to negative 3. So substituting that back up here, to find the value of b, I get negative 24 plus b is equal to negative 48. So from that, I can just add 24 to both sides and get b is equal to negative 24. So what I've now found is that the equation of the curve is fx equals x cubed minus 3x squared minus 24x plus c. Now, because the inflection point occurred at 1, 2, this tells us when x equals 1, the y value is equal to 2. So that means that the value of the curve is equal to 2 if I substitute everywhere I see an x for 1. So this is a very easy equation to solve. Just putting all of that in your calculator if you need. I get negative 26 plus c is equal to 2. Add 26 to both sides. I get c is equal to 28. So we're done. We found the value of a, b, and c. All right, thanks for watching. Best of luck for your test, but you'll ace it. You're a legend. Keep believing.